Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing. Hopefully you see me. Putting this here so I can have like a reference track. So some parts of this video I might keep like the original audio, and some parts of the original audio I will not be keeping. Okay, so basically I got this from Target. Also, if I did not make a proper introduction, this is my proper introduction. Hey everyone, welcome to another vlog. It's not really a vlog. Well, this another video of mine. I'm so happy you are watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So this is Recording Jessica, guys. Hope you like me. So right now I'm just spraying my hair. Excuse me, I was eating a spicy jerk beef Slim Jim. So I am spraying my hair. It is cold and it is wet, so I am uncomfortable. If you look at the space, yes, it is tight. So I have a small bathroom. Not surprising since I live in a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. And whew, sorry about that. The voice is breaking. Forgive me. I'll probably cut that out. Anyways, so I'm spraying my heart away, trying to dissolve the oils that are in my hair. I use tea tree oil to resolve the dryness and the itchiness of my scalp, and it works. So there was a lot of tea tree oil in my hair, and now I am rubbing it in. That's what it is recommended on the instructions on the bottle. Rub it in there, make sure it's getting to the roots. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep on doing that, y'all. So at that point, I start noticing the volume is returning back to my hair. It is not as limp as before due to all the oils I was putting into it. And I'm gonna be spraying some more. The dry shampoo that Dove offers does they do say that volume will come back. Now it's not going to be completely voluminous as it was when I first got my silk press. It was moving. If you guys watch my previous vlog, you'll see that my hair was moving every single time I moved my head, and my hair isn't doing that exactly now, but it looks good. It's looking good. I'm enjoying what I'm seeing, and I'm going to keep on doing it. Now I am just combing through my hair, just making sure that the dry shampoo is on every inch of the hair on my head. It's like you don't even know me. It's like you don't even care. It's like you don't even know me. So right now you're seeing my old edges. They look a little worn, weary, which is fine. It's been a week since I got my hair done. To proceed to blow out my edges and some of the poofy parts of my hair using this all the way brush. I don't know the exact name of it, sorry. And my blow dryer. The blow dryer, I took that from my sister's house, y'all, so I don't know the name of it. However, that brush, I will link it below. I got it from Target. It's awesome. And yeah, just watch me blow it out. So I got a clip to section my hair. I was preparing to start pressing it out, but I see that there's some areas in my hair that could still use some blow drying, so I went ahead and did that. My hair is thick. My hair is really thick. So I found another poofy part of my hair, and you see what's happening next. I'm just zooming in on this so you know not to use it. Well, it's not that bad, but yeah. After this, I'm gonna get some flexi rods, y'all. It's like you don't even know me. It's like you don't even care. It's like you don't even know me. No. It's like you don't even know me. My hair is short, but it got that stretch baby hair. So at this point, I am curling. If I'm smiling, laughing, or talking, then I was basically saying, oh my God, academics, you so crazy. Yeah, my boyfriend was listening to him in the other room, so I heard bits and pieces. But yeah, y'all, I'm curling it, and I'm loving how it's coming out. And yeah, keep watching, and I hope you enjoy. It's like you don't even know me. It's like you don't even care. It's like you don't even know me. No. It's like you don't even know me. It's like you don't even care. It's like you don't even know me. Oh, yeah. It's like you don't even know me. It's like you don't even care. It's like you don't even know me. No. It's like you don't even know me. It's like you don't even care. It's like you don't even know me. Oh, yeah. It's like you don't even know me.
What if I pick you up from your house? We should get out. We haven't talked in a while, we should roll. See where it goes. I saw potential in you from the go. You know that I did. I don't know if you know, but I know who you are. You could be big as Madonna, just get in the car and then let's touch the road.
So y'all, this is the final look. Oh, I look so pretty. Yeah, I'm one of those people who like to toot my own horn. I have minimal makeup. When I say minimal, let me see. I filled in my brows, and I did some mascara, a little bit of eyeliner, and some lip. But that's it, y'all. I didn't put on any foundation, no concealer. I was thinking concealer, but I just wasn't feeling it, to be honest. I just love the hair. Beautiful, gorgeous. I hope this helps you guys. I am not a hair person by any means. I have gotten people to do my hair all my life, friends, professionals, family members. I'm just not a hair person, but I'm really trying to be more independent in that realm. So here it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me if you don't. Tell me what you think. I would love some feedback, please. All right, thank you. Bye.